How to make reusable infographic money counter in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Bring a background node and a rectangle node and connect them to each other and to Media Out. Select the background and choose a white color. Select the rectangle and increase corner radius, then adjust its size in the viewer. Uncheck the solid checkbox and set border width to 0.005. Select the background, press Shift plus space, search for drop shadow, and add it. Select both background and rectangle and copy and paste them. Connect the output of new background to the output of drop shadow to merge it. Select the new background and choose another color. Select the new rectangle, double-click on border width to reset it, and check the solid checkbox. Right-click on the merge node and choose Swap Inputs. Click anywhere empty, press Shift plus space, search for Transform, and add the bottom Transform node. Disconnect the rectangle, and connect it to the yellow input of the Transform, and connect Transform to background. Select the Transform node and in the inspector, check the Crop checkbox. Move playhead to the start, click on diamond button next to Crop Top, and increase it until you can't see any of the rectangle. Move playhead to frame 10 and decrease Crop Top until the rectangle is fully filled. Bring a Text Plus node and connect it to the output of Merge to add another Merge node. Right-click on the text and choose Edit Controls. Set its name to Counter, Type to Number, Page to Text, which is the Text tab in the Inspector panel. Set Default to 0, check the Integer checkbox, and in the allowed text boxes put minimum and maximum numbers you want to count. Select Slider Control and click OK. Now this counter slider is added at the bottom of other controls in the Text tab. Move playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to Counter. Move playhead to frame 10 and increase counter to a value you want. Right-click on the text area and choose Expression. Type the expression in the description into the text box. This expression takes the counter, separates it every 3 digits by comma, and adds a $sign at the start of it. Move the text to the bottom right of the rectangle. Move the playhead to the start and click on Layout tab, then click on diamond button next to Center. Move playhead to frame 10 and drag the text to the top to add another keyframe. Select the Merge node, press Shift plus space, search for Keyframe Stretcher, and add it. Set Source Start to 0 and Source End to 10.2. Put 0 and 10.2 for below inputs as well. Now the animation is not only 10 frames long but lasts for the entire length of the composition. Select the Keyframe Stretcher, press Shift plus space, search for Color Corrector, and add it. Right-click on Hue Property, and choose Modify with Shake. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline. The good thing about it is that you can change its size and it still works fine.